Hello our lovely viewers, today Dipanwita for you has brought yet another nail polish review video, and this time I'll be talking about the matte nail paints from RELIANCE Trends Nail Trends collection. So if you're a nail polish lover and a nail art lover, then do subscribe right away and let's get started with the video. So the very first point is how the bottle looks. So it is a frosted glass bottle, rectangular in shape, and it's got a glossy black plastic cap, and on top of the cap the name of the shade is written, and the name of the shade is also written in the side along with the barcode. And the shape of the bottle is interesting. As you can see, it's a bit curved, and in front the name of the company and that the nail polish is matte, that is written. And at the back there are some just general information about the nail paint, and at the base is written the shelf life, which is of 3 years. Now let's go inside. So this is how the polish looks. The consistency is really great, not runny, not thick, so it will glide on the nails very smoothly. The brush is kind of wide. I mean, it will feel a bit wide for thin nails, but for wide nails it's really perfect. So I won't say the brush is universal because it will be a little difficult to apply the nail polish on thin nails. Also, I prefer more if the end of the brush is a little rounded rather than being straight flat for the ease of application. So I have bought 9 nail paints from the matte range, and I have swatched them all in my Instagram. So if you're following me in my Instagram in this handle, then you must have already seen the swatches. But once again, I'll just show you the pictures and also live swatch one of these nail polishes. So as you can see, the nail paint tends to turn a bit gloopy with time, but this one is a one coater and most of the nail paints in this collection are quite opaque in one coat only. So now I'll talk about the performance of these nail paints and all the other details. So these nail paints require 2 coats and the drying time is moderately fast. I mean, all the matte nail paints are fast drying generally, and these also take about 5 to 7 minutes to completely dry and turn matte. The finish of these nail paints is really nice. I mean, these are proper matte nail paints, but the effect do not last really long. I mean, if you are constantly working with water, or if you have put oil on your hand or have accidentally touched oil, then the matte effect instantly wears off. And even if you have not done anything of those, maximum the matte effect will last you 4 days, but the nail polish will not chip. It will, I think it will stay for about 15 days as far as I have tested. Also, these nail paints will not stain your nails, which is a good point. And now I'll talk about the prices. So these nail paints were originally coming for rupees 60 until about a few weeks ago. I'm filming this video on March 8, and even in February 2020 I found these nail paints for rupees 60, but on March 8 I bought a few more nail paints. So these new nail paints from this range are coming for rupees 50. So most probably by the time you are watching this video, I think they will be available for rupees 50 only. So for this amount of money, you are getting 9 ml of nail polish, which is really worth the money. Now I'm moving on to the more technical details, like the chemical composition. Nowhere it is written that these are 5 free or 10 free. So I have to assume, and I am quite sure, that these are not chemical free. So that's a con for these nail paints. Also, these nail paints are not available online, which is once again another con. You will find them only in the RELIANCE Trends nail paint stores, and I had already done a RELIANCE nail paint haul video earlier, and I had also mentioned these things in that video as well, so you can also check that out. And that video was mostly about the glossy nail paints, not the matte ones, because the matte ones are new addition in my collection. I'll put the link of that haul video in the cards. And other than that, these are one of the cheapest matte nail paints in the market right now, and so that's a good thing because it's affordable. And Yeah, but one more thing is that the shade range is really not very diverse. I have one red, one gray, one black, two nudes, one dark maroon, one pinkish shade, and that's about it. And other than that, I have found shocking pink or magenta type colors in the market, and that's all, nothing more than that. Not always all the colors are available in every store, so there is really a problem about the stock. So there are high chances that you think about buying one color, you go to a Reliance store and the color is not available, and you have to search in all the trend stores, and that is not possible. So I find this a con, and I think the store authorities should really look into the matter. So after hearing what I had to say, I think you can assume that I have mixed feelings about these nail paints. That is, 50% are pros, 50% are cons. The biggest pros are the matte effect, it's on point, the price is on point. The rest of the things I'm not really positive about this, because neither these are chemical free, and nor the availability is really guaranteed. I mean, just like I said, these are not available online. You have to physically go to a Reliance store, and even then there are high chances that you will not get the color that you want. But I'm still a bit sentimental about these nail paints, because these are the first matte nail paints that I bought, and the price is really affordable, so I keep buying these nail paints. That's the reason. And yeah, I'll leave it to you guys whether you want to buy this or not. After hearing what I had to say, I just shared all my honest reviews, and this is not influenced by anything else. So there are many other matte options in the market available right now online. For example, in Vibe, Bella Voste, Purple, all these brands have come up with really nice matte shades, and the price is also not really high, so you can also try out those brands if you don't want to try new Reliance trends. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys super soon with one more video, with lot more videos actually. So do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked this video, please give a big thumbs up and share this video with your nail polish lover friends. And if you're yourself a nail polish and nail art lover, then I suggest you should subscribe to my channel right away. So see you super soon with more videos. Bye guys.